In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to unarchive in ClickUp. If you've ever cleaned up your workspace by archiving a space and now need it back, this walkthrough will get you there quickly and confidently. We'll start from the main overview of your team space and use the built-in settings to restore what you need. Begin by opening ClickUp and heading to your team space overview. From here, look to the top right corner of the screen. You'll see your profile avatar, which might be your photo or your initials. Click that avatar to open your account menu. This is where ClickUp keeps all your personal and workspace settings, so it's the fastest way to reach the tools you need. In the menu that appears, choose Settings. This takes you to your account and workspace configuration area. On the left-hand side, you'll find a list of sections. Click on Spaces. This section shows all spaces you manage or can access, and it's also where archived items are stored for safekeeping. Inside the Spaces area, look for the Archived Spaces section or tab. Click into it. If you don't see any items listed, it could mean there are no archived spaces for your current workspace, or you may not have permission to view them. In that case, double-check that you're in the right workspace, and, if needed, ask an admin for access. Once you're in Archive Spaces, find the space you want to bring back. You'll see a Restore option next to it. Click Restore. That's it. By selecting Restore, you're unarchiving the space. ClickUp will reactivate the space with its structure intact, including lists, tasks, views, and most settings as they were when you archived it. Depending on the size of the space, it may take a moment to appear again. If it doesn't show up right away in your left sidebar, give the page a quick refresh. After the restore, return to your spaces list or your main sidebar to confirm the space is visible and accessible to your team. Your existing permissions should carry over, so teammates who had access before will typically see it again without any extra steps. If the space feels cluttered after restoring, remember you can always fine-tune views, filters, or re-archive later if needed. And that's the whole process. From your profile menu, into settings, to spaces, into archived spaces, and then restore. If this tutorial helped you bring a space back to life in ClickUp, don't forget to like this video and subscribe for more practical, step-by-step guides. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.